Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to block or unblock numbers on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side on your screen. And papapasyo, okay, go to settings. Here in settings, okay, you can see the block numbers. Okay, go to block numbers. And block numbers, you can see the add phone number. And to add or to block numbers on your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is add the phone number you want to block. Okay, this is for example only. And okay guys, after you enter the phone number you want to block, you'll have to do is tap the plus sign on the right side to block. Okay, you will no longer receive calls or message for this number. And you can see the block number here with negative sign on the right side. And also you can add through recent contact. So but for now I have no recent. And also you can add through contact. Okay, tap the contact and select the contact you want to block. For example, I choose the Chad. And after that, tap the done button below. And okay guys, here, the Chad is put here and list of block number. Okay. So, okay guys, we have successfully blocked the numbers on my Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay. And to unblock the number, you'll have to do is, okay, you can see the negative sign on the right side of this number. Okay, you'll have to do to unblock the number, you'll have to do is tap the negative sign. And okay guys, you can now receive calls and message from this number. Okay, so you can unblock again by tap the negative sign. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully blocked and unblocked numbers on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, can comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.